Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Excel printing rows. So let's get started. Begin by opening your Excel workbook with the data you would like to print. Click and drag your cursor to select the specific rows you want to print. Now go to the File tab at the top left corner of the Excel window. Click on Print. Now in the print settings, you can make further adjustments. Ensure that you have selected print selection or print active sheets to print only the rows you have chosen. Finally, click Print to print the selected rows. Your document will only contain the rows you choose. Okay, that's it. That's how you can easily fix Excel printing rows. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.